So as we have seen in the video 1 of tannins about the true tannins and pseudotannins, the true tannins and pseudotannins both positively give the reaction of gold-beater skin test, but the in positive tannins the difference was, or in the true tannins the difference was कि they convert the animal head into leather, but in that of the pseudo they do not convert the animal hide into the leather. So now let's study about what is this gold beater skin test. So gold beater skin test is nothing but the membrane which is prepared from the intestine of ox. Okay, it is the membrane which is prepared from the intestine of the ox. Now what you have to do, you have to take a small piece of gold beater skin. Okay, membrane है ये जो ox के intestine से बनती है. So you have to take the small piece of that into percent hydrochloric acid into HL. So I'll show you here what you have to do. You will take the gold beater test. Okay, in that you will add 2% of hydrochloric acid in the first step. Okay, then you will rinse it with the water. You will just rinse that with the water. After rinsing it with water, you will place it in the solution to be tested for 5 minutes. So you will keep this solution that is to be tested for 5 minutes. Take it. After 5 minutes, what you will do? After 5 minutes, what you will do? You will wash and transfer it to the 1% ferrous sulfate. Okay? So this is the third step. After keeping it for 5 minutes, you will wash in water and transfer to 1% of solution in ferrous sulfate. Then you can see the black or the brown skin color if is present, which indicates the tannins. ओके सो क्या करेंगे, एक हम लोग बीकर लेंगे जिसमें हम लोग गोल्ड बिटर स्किन और 2% हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को रखेंगे. We'll rinse it off with the water. After that we'll keep in the solution that is to be tested for 5 minutes. Then after that you will add 1% of ferrous sulfate. और अगर black brown color आ रहा है स्किन का तो ये इंडिकेट करेगा कि there are tannins. It is a quantitative test. If positive test is only true for tannins, जैसे acid की positive test ही which is true for tannins. Okay, then we have more to test, that is catechins test and the test for chlorogenic acid. So for catechins test, when heated with the acid, it produces the fluoroglycinol, and fluoroglycinol can be detected with the matchstick test. Now the identification tests are very important. तो catechin test में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, और catechin को जब acid में heat करेंगे तो वो फ्लोरोग्लिसनॉल प्रोड्यूस करता है, और ये फ्लोरोग्लिसनॉल जो है वो मैचस्टिक टेस्ट से डिटेक्ट होता है. देन क्लोरोजेनिक टेस्ट में क्या करते हैं, जो भी एक्सट्रैक्ट होता है उसको क्लोरोजेनिक एसिड से ट्रीट करते हैं विद एक्वेस अमोनिया विच इज एक्सपोज्ड टू एयर, और अगर ग्रीन कलर आ गया तो पता करने का किट इज टैनिन्स. ऑलराइट, लेट्स सी the tannins types. Okay, so these are the broad classification which I have discussed with यहाँ पर examples के साथ है. So we have hydrolyzable tannins, condensed tannins, then true tannins and pseudotannins. Okay, so tannins में hydrolyzable is divided into gallotannins, which is the presence of gallic acid, and ellagic tannins, which is the presence of ellagic acid. So for gallotannins you have bearberry, hamamelis, myrobalan, nut gall. Okay, and ellagitannins के लिए nut galls, eucalyptus kino, cinchona bark और wild cherry bark. Condensed tannins के लिए you have erica, catacho और mangrove clutches. Now from this gallotannins में से कोई एक example कर दो, like you are taking for hamamelis. Then here you can take for cinchona bark. Then here you can take erica catacho. Then in pseudotannin में we have 3 types of identification tests. Chlorogenic acid, black brown precipitate देगा. So example is coffee. rhubarb, cocoa. Okay, these all are the examples of tannins. So I have just given the example here for your gallotannins. You can see here गैलोटैनिन्स में हेमामेलिस का एग्जाम्पल आई हैव पोस्टेड हियर, जिसमें हेमामेलिस का बॉटनिकल ओरिजिन है हेमामेलिस विरिगियाना. ओके, विरिगियाना ऐसा दिखता है वो. द फैमिली इज हेमिमिलियाशी. इट इज़ अ पार्ट यूज्ड एज ड्राइड लीव्स. नाउ ड्यूरिंग समर्स ये जो लीव्स है वो कलेक्ट किया जाता है ओपन एयर में, एंड इट इज़ प्रेफरेबली अंडर द शेड टू प्रिजर्व द ग्रीन कलर. इसको शेड में प्रिजर्व करने के लिए उसका ग्रीन कलर जो है यूजफुल होता है. Then constituents are gallic tannins, which is gallic acid, ellagic tannins, which is the presence of ellagic acid, free gallic acid, hemamylase, and proanthocyanidins. It is used as an astringent, anti-hemorrhagic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-canceric. Hemorrhagic is, you know what is, it is a hemorrhage, that is a blockage, or the blood is accumulated in one of the part. Then we have catachu. As I said, you can give the examples of, first is hydrolyzable tannins, where you can give for hamamelis, and for condensed tannins where you can give for catacachu. So I have posted here for catacachu. Catacachu is, the botanical origin is Uncaria gambir. Okay, it looks like this. Pink color के flowers होते हैं. Family is Rubiaceae. Dried aqueous extract from leaves and young twigs. These are the young twigs. Boil leaves and twigs in water, evaporate in pasty consistency. Paste is put in cubes and dried in sun. Okay. Catechins, catechinic acid, catechurate, quercetin, gambier, fluorescein are the chemical constituents present. Uses, again it is astringent, dyeing, tannin industry. Okay, I hope you have understood the tannins. If any doubts, you can comment down below. Thank you.